Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Alice and Happy New Year. Hope you're all doing great and hope 2021 is going to be a better year than last year. To cheer you guys up, especially those who are in lockdown, here is an upcycling project that I did. Stay tuned. So this is the Rattan magazine rack that I'm going to upcycle. I bought this one from Facebook Marketplace and it was going for around £3, and I just love the details of the rattan on it, and the color is not the best, so as soon as I saw it I knew I was gonna paint it either black or white. I did a poll on my Instagram story and majority of people suggested that I should paint it white, so I went ahead and did just that. So to start off the project, I removed all the little screws that came with the rack and disassembled the rack to make it easy for me to sand it down, to clean it and paint it. So I went ahead and used masking tape on both sides of the rattan just to keep it clean while painting. If you're new to my channel, don't forget to hit the subscribe button so that you can get notified every time I upload a new video. I went ahead and used a sanding block to sand down the pieces. I didn't have to do this because I'm using chalky paint, but there was no harm doing it. I used this sugar soap solution to clean the pieces and make sure they're nice and clean, ready for painting. But if you don't have this solution, you can just use soapy water. Once all the pieces were dry, I went in with this chalky paint. It's white in color. I got this one from Aldi, I think, and I applied one side at a time, giving it 30 minutes to dry before doing the opposite side. I used a combination of a paint roller and a paintbrush to paint the pieces. I used the paint roller for large pieces and a paintbrush for small pieces, just to give it a clean and polished look. As I mentioned earlier on, I left the pieces to dry for 30 minutes before going ahead and paint the opposite side. I painted 3 coats on both sides and I was happy with the results. But if you're using a thicker paint, you might only need 2 coats and you'll be fine. And once that was done, I removed the masking tape on the rattan, and as you can see, there's some places that needed painting. So I went ahead with a small paintbrush and painted those areas. Just carefully work your way through the areas that need extra paint and paint them. If you make any mistake, just use dry kitchen towel and just wipe it off and carry on. You might need steady hands for this. If you like this video so far, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and also hit the notification button so you get notified every time I upload a new video. So this is how it looked like after I finished painting it. I did a couple of coats on it and it was fine. I went ahead and did the same to the other piece. So I went ahead and spray painted the knob handles using this matte white spray paint. All they needed was a couple of coats and they turned out fine. just make sure you spray the sides and get the paint in there. I mean, if you don't have spray paint, you can just use normal paint and paint them. And this is how they look after they were dry. The next stage was to use this finishing wax and apply it all over the pieces to just preserve it and make it easy to clean if I have to. So I used a dry piece of cloth and in a circular motion I applied all over the pieces. So I do tend to do a lot of upcycling projects because it just gives a new lease of life to furniture and just transforms it and give it a modern look. So most of the time I do tend to go to Facebook Marketplace to find old ugly looking furnitures and transform them into something that I like. I would love to hear in the comment section below where you normally find your furniture or pieces to upcycle. Don't forget to apply the finishing wax on the knob handles too. So this is the final stage of this project, is to put all the pieces together and to tightly secure them using the knob handle that came with it. So do let me know your thoughts about this DIY project in the comment section below, and if you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and also you can subscribe to my channel. And for those who are in lockdown, I hope this project cheers you up and inspires you to go out there and upcycle old furnitures or old pieces and give them a new lease of life. So guys, this is the final product. I really like it. It has this polished finish and it looks amazing. So thank you guys so much for watching, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please don't forget to do so, and I will see you in my next video. Stay safe. Thank you for watching. Bye.